Still on security, the government has given a 3-day ultimatum to bandits in Turkana County to surrender firearms stolen from slain police officers in Turkana East last month. Tiaty Sub-County Deputy Commissioner Jackton Orieny said they have so far recovered 5 firearms.
The killing of 11 people, 8 of them police officers, last month prompted a disarmament operation in Turkana County to mop up illegal firearms in the hands of civilians. Leaders in neighboring Baringo County have lauded the exercise, saying peace has to be restored in the volatile area.
The bandit is amongst us. The bandit has a name. The bandit has a father, a mother, a brother. It's high time to call your son a bandit, and it's high time to present this person to the government. It's high time for justice to prevail. We take full responsibility of everything that is happening in Tiaty. We have to change the mindset. Until we change the mindset, that is the only way that we are going to achieve peace.
Baringo South MP Charles Cameron, together with other leaders, also want the government to start the process of resettling displaced persons in Baringo South to enable them restore their livelihoods.
Ningeomba kuomba wale watu ambao walifurushwa mwakao, watu wa Makutani, watu wa Sinoni, watu wa Araban, waweze kurejeshwa nyumbani na wapate kupewa chakula, wapate kupewa nyumba na wasapotiwe na serikali ili waweze maisha yao ipate kurudi kama kawaida.
Tunaomba kwamba hiyo kazi iendelee na wasiende tu kutafuta ile bunduki ambayo wakaidi walichukua ya serikali, bali wafanye disarmament yote, wachukue kila bunduki ambayo raia wanayo. Sababu saa hii mashule zingine haijafunguliwa kwa sababu ya hiyo mambo ya usalama.
Pauline Nasimio for Lunchtime News.